go back. Go back, go back. MLA Dr. Momin, go back. Go back, go back. Dr. Momin, go back. Go back, go back. BJP, go back. Go back, go back. BJP, go back. Go back, go back. Team Karbiang Long, go back. Go back, go back. Team Karbiang Long, go back. Go back, go back. Dr. Momin, go back. Go back, go back. MLA Dr. Momin, go back. Go back, go back. No, Truma stay. No, Truma stay. And flag on the team. And flag on the team. And flag on the team. Dr. Momin, go back. Go back, go back. MLA Dr. Momin, go back. Go back, go back. 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 Dr. Momin, BJP MLA Dr. Momin, go back. Go back, go back. BJP MLA Dr. Momin, go back. Go back, BJP go back. Go back, go back. BJP down, 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 down. Team Karbiang Long down, 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 down. Team Karbiang Long down, 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 down. Dr. Momin down, 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 down. Dr. Momin होशियार, होशियार, होशियार. MLA Dr. Momin होशियार, होशियार, होशियार. No, Truma stay. No, Truma stay. No, MLA Dr.
Ini APHLC nilitum Howraghat LAC APHLC hoy ben nilitum kache song pon nang ko bang kela hello itu mahot poroi dina jetu duar bakuri
Okay, done.
Okay, the statement which has been given by Dr. Numol Momin during the mass joining program held in Dwarbaguri constituency was very unfortunate, and we, the APHLC Howraghat LAC committee, has strongly condemned about the statement or the remarks that has been given by Dr. Momin. He said that autonomous state is valueless. There is nothing in the autonomous state, and he further said that instead of autonomous state, the people of Karbiang Long, they are getting more development from the Chief Minister of Assam. He said that there is no development like medical college or BEd college or any other agriculture college in the autonomous state. So Dr. Momin, he said that instead of autonomous state, the people should ask for development. But it is unacceptable. We, the APHLC, we condemn the statement or the remarks which is made by Dr. Numol Momin. And those who oppose this Article 244A or autonomous state were anti-constitutional and anti-Indian, because Article 244A is mentioning clearly in the Indian Constitution itself. So it is the right of the people, and it is the right to get an autonomous state for the people of Karbiang Long and Dimahasau. So we will call upon all the people of Karbiang Long to protest against the statement or the remarks that is given by Dr. Numol Momin. And this is a clear warning to all those anti-autonomous state forces that whoever oppose Article 244A or the creation of autonomous state for Karbiang Long and Dimahasau, they are anti-Indian, because creation of autonomous state is clearly mentioned in the Indian Constitution itself. And this is a very special provision for the people of Karbiang Long and Dimahasau, that an autonomous state shall be created for both the district, that is for Karbiang Long and Dimahasau. So we should oppose and we should fight back to those people like Dr. Momin, who gave a very bad comment, who gave a very sentimental remarks for the people of Karbiang Long. So we, the APHLC, we don't accept the remarks or the statement that is given by Dr. Momin, and this is a clear message for Dr. Momin that you apologize within a short time. Otherwise, we are going to burn the effigy not only here in Dongmukak, but all over Karbiang Long, all over the 26 constituencies. That's all.